Hi, if you are the one who wants to be good and to be perfect in all sorts of things, then this is not going to happen in the beginning. If you are starting your business, starting your podcast, or starting your own videos, or making content, or just in every field, if you are going to start, then don't move towards the perfection, because perfection is not the thing that you will achieve in 1 to 2 days or 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so the perfection is not going to happen too early. You start doing work, and then after some time you realize, and after some times you done mistakes. Now if I will tell you that nothing is, if you have something, then this is good, this is better than if you have nothing.